Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how does Discord status work. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Discord status allows users to display their current activity or status to others on the platform. It's a feature that adds context to a user's presence, indicating whether they are available, away, busy, or engaged in a specific activity. Here's how Discord status works. Firstly, users can set their status by clicking on the profile picture or username at the bottom left corner of the Discord client or in the mobile app. From there, you can choose Set Status and choose from various options. Available. That default status is typically online or available, indicating that the user is active and available to chat or interact with others. Away. Users can set their status to away if they are temporarily unavailable or idle. This status often changes automatically after a period of inactivity. Do not disturb. This status indicates that the user is busy and does not want to be disturbed. It typically mutes notifications or alerts from Discord, ensuring uninterrupted focus. Custom status. Discord also allows users to set a custom status message to provide additional context or information about what they're currently doing. This can include text, emojis, or even links. Activity status. Discord also shows users' activity status, indicating whether they are actively typing, listening to music, streaming, or playing a game. This information helps others understand what the user is currently engaged in. Integration with games and apps. Discord can automatically update a user's status based on their activity in connected games and application. For example, if a user is playing a game on Steam, Discord may automatically update the status to indicate the game they are playing. Visibility. Users can't control who can see the status. They can set it to be visible to everyone, only to friends, or even to specific groups or servers. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.